Hi, I'm Siri. Today, let's make creamy and delicious rose milk pudding cups. Here are the ingredients we need: milk, cornflour, sugar, cold milk, fresh cream, rose syrup, rose water, cardamom powder, chopped pistachios, and dried rose petals. First, mix the cornflour with cold milk until smooth and lump-free. Add sugar to the warm milk and mix well. Now add the rose syrup and mix until the pudding turns evenly pink. Add fresh cream and mix well for a smooth and creamy texture. Turn off the heat, then add rose water and cardamom powder. Pour the mixture into small cups and refrigerate for 2 hours. Finally, garnish with chopped pistachios and dried rose petals. Serve chilled. Our rose milk pudding cups are ready. Comment your next recipe and like, share and subscribe to Little Stories.